English via Art, Nature Series number 5, Ocean, Peak, River, Rock, Sea, Shore, Sky, Stone. How to practice listening and speaking. Watch the video, listen and read silently. To understand the content, pause the video as often as necessary. Watch the video again, listen and read aloud. Then mute the video, watch and read aloud. Repeat until you pronounce easily, sound natural, and speak confidently. Ocean. Formosa Island in the Indian Ocean. Girl of the ocean. Scenery with ocean. Ocean. Bouquet of wildflowers with ocean background. Ocean cliffs. Ballerina on an ocean liner. Ocean unconscious. Ocean love. Ocean waves. Ocean. The ring of the St. Adolph fire snake in the Indian Ocean. Peak. Snowy mountain peaks, Caucasus. On a peak. The Lila Peak. Himalayas, pink peaks. Mountain forms. Kampadzong, pink peak. Isolation Peak, Rocky Mountains. Mountain peak with drifting clouds. Peaks in the morning. The Rocky Mountains, Landers Peak. River, rivers seen. East River, number 1. River landscape by moonlight. The river at Reina Valsin. Harlem River. The river with poplars. Rivers of Rumby. Rock, rocks. Little Dog's Rock. On the Rocks, England. Red and pink rocks. Boy on a rock. Mullins and rocks. 3 rocks. Rock, rock chamber. Rock. Marble Rocks, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh, India. White rock. Rock. Rocks at Purdue. Rock and roll. Angelica at the Rock, after Angre. Sea. Open sea. Sea at night. Allegro, Sonata of the Sea. Green Sea. The Black Sea. Rainstorm over the sea. By the sea. Family. Sea viewed from the heights of Dieppe. The sea. Shore. Moonlight on the shore. Young woman on the shore. Rocky shore. Boys playing on the shore. Sky. Polynesia, the sky. The blue sky. Sky blue. Blue sky. Sky, August. Sky, Ravenna. Indigo sky mares. Mimicry synoptic. The sky woman. Red barn and grey sky. Green sky. Stone. Tibet. Sacred stones. Mongolia. Stones. Stones in a forest. Stones and rocks. The stone operation. Boulder stone. Borrowdale. The Tarry Stone, Cookham. The Stone Wall, Fade-Ride Stones. The Stone Bridge, Stones for a Wall. Foam Stone, Flowers in Stone. Stepping Stones on the Hligree, Precious Stones. The Philosopher's Stone. Aztec Sunstone, Calendar Stone. Stepping Stones in the Afternoon, Nara Isuen. Stonehenge, Stone Maiden, Still Life. A Stonemason's Yard, Stonemason. Paving Stones, River Stone, To Stone. Ashan is stoned to death